Hello everybody, my name is Supreet Kaur. I am from SBS Nagar. I am studying in the Meritorious School Mohali as a student of non-med. I am here to deliver a speech on child labor. Child labor has been the most important concern in the world because it affects the children both mentally and physically. It also destroys the future of children. The Child Labor Act 1986 defines a child as a person who has not completed the age of 14 years. Child labor is the practice of engaging the children in economic activity on a part or full-time basis. Every child is considered as a gift of God. It must be nurtured with the care and affection with the family and society. But due to the social economic problems, children will be forced to work in industries, leather factories, hotels and self-service restaurants. The child labor is not a small issue in economic problems of society. So, to eliminate child labor, first we should focus on social economic issue of the society. India is one of the foremost countries in Asia that has 33 million children employed in various forms of child labor. The Constitution of India to provide certain rights to children and prohibited child labor, like no child below the age of 14 years shall be employed in any factory or hazard work. Children are given opportunities and services to grow in a healthy. They will provide free and compulsory education to all children between the age of 6 to 14 years, etc. There are many causes of child labor, that is poverty, debts, professional needs, etc. So first, poverty. In developing countries, poverty is one of the major problems and the children were considered as helping hand to feed their families. If they do not work, they will die of poverty and hunger. Because of poverty, illiteracy and unemployment, parents are unable to send them to schools, so that the poor parents send their children to work at low wages. So first we will try to eliminate the poverty of the society. Number 2, debts. The poor economic condition of people in India forces them to borrow money. The literate seek debt from money lenders during emergencies. Later, they find difficulty in paying back the debt. So debtors drag the children to in support of them so that the debt could be paid off. There are some industries such as the bangles making industries where they require delicate hands and little fingers. Thus, they require children to work for them and do such dangerous work with glass. Conclusion. I would like to conclude by saying that the remedy is only in the hands of the government. It needs to take the necessary steps to get rid of poverty by giving employment to the parents of child laborers. It is necessary to educate children. The government should allocate the necessary funds to educate poor children. There are many laws and authorities department for child labor, but up till now they are unproductive in controlling ongoing child labor. This is possible only with the support of all these sections of the society and the law of enforcement agencies. The focus should be on controlling the problem population of the country, education of the children and providing sufficient funds for its removal from the gross domestic product of India. Thanks.